Cafeteria definition and meaning in context with images. Updated, October 3, 2024 by Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri ASL. Cafeteria definition and meaning in context with images and visuals for ESL students. _κæf.əťɪə.ri./ Noun. Definition of cafeteria. A self-service or counter-service restaurant in a college, factory, or any other office building in which people collect and take food from the counter or any other serving area on their own, dining hall, refectory, café, diner, lunchroom, canteen, buffet. Video of cafeteria. Cafeteria in context. Cafeterias are commonly found in a variety of settings where large groups of people need to be served efficiently. Schools and universities are prime examples, where cafeterias provide students with meals during their breaks. These cafeterias often offer a range of options, from hot meals to salads and snacks, catering to diverse dietary needs and preferences. Similarly, hospitals use cafeterias to serve both staff and visitors, ensuring that everyone has access to nutritious food without having to leave the premises. In the corporate world, many office buildings have cafeterias to serve employees, promoting convenience and productivity by allowing workers to stay on-site for their meals. Factories and military bases also utilize cafeterias to feed large numbers of people efficiently, often providing meals that are designed to meet specific nutritional requirements. Additionally, museums, amusement parks, and department stores often have cafeterias to cater to visitors, offering a quick and easy dining option that allows them to continue enjoying their activities without interruption.